Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to hide Twitter following. Firstly, make sure if your account is private, then your followings are already hidden. So let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your profile or a person icon on your top left corner. Tap on it. Then go to Setting and Support. Then go to Setting and Privacy. You can see here the option of Privacy and Safety. Click on it. Again, you can see the option of Audience and Tagging. Tap on it. My account is not private, so I'll make it private. Protect your post. Protect your videos. Then your account will be private. Then your followings will also be hidden. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for